30-meter telescope. India, a partner in the construction of one of the largest telescopes in the world, has said it wants the project to be moved out of the proposed site at Mauna Kea, a dormant volcano in the Hawaii. The 30-meter telescope, as it is called, is a joint venture involving the 5 countries, but the $2 billion project has been marred by protest for over a decade. The 30-meter telescope will enable scientists to study fainter objects far away in the universe, which would give information about early stages of evolution of the universe. Also, it will give out finer details of not so far away objects like undiscovered planets and other objects in the solar system and planets around other stars. Canada, United States, China, Japan are the other and more significant partners in terms of the monetary and infrastructural aspect of the TMT. 30-meter telescope. The level of contribution determines the amount of viewing time or slots that the member country scientists get on the machine. Thus, India in a given year stands to get 10% of the available slots. Any downtime could potentially eat into those. The proposed site is considered sacred to the indigenous Hawaiians and also has too many observatories for one more such a massive establishment to come up, says groups that have contested the site. Issues. The 30-meter telescope has been the litigious site since 2014. In 2018, the Supreme Court of Hawaii gave permission for the construction to proceed, but the project's proponents have not made progress because they were obstructed twice in 2015 and 2019 respectively from the construction. Protest at the site in 2019 saw scientists unable to access other telescope facilities in Mauna Kea. The project has been delayed by nearly 5 years and should have begun operations by 2025. India has committed nearly $200 million, which is about a tenth of proposed cost. The telescope needs 492 precisely polished mirrors, and India is to contribute 83 of them. The project delay has meant that these manufacturing contracts have also been delayed. India too has its problems with hosting ambitious science projects. The Indian Neutrino Observatory proposed to come up in Theni, Tamil Nadu, has also been stalled due to the protest against the project in the state. You can see here the 30-meter telescope, 30 meters in diameter, and 492 mirror segments of reflective glass pieces together to form a gained primary mirror. And this is the total collecting area, that is the collecting area, square meters, and 12 times sharper than that of the Hubble Space Telescope that is been installed. Mauna Kea. The Mauna Kea Observatory is MKORA, number of independent astronomical research facilities and large telescope observatories that are located at the summit of Mauna Kea on the big island of Hawaii, United States. The location was considered near ideal because of its dark skies from the lack of light pollution, good astronomical view, low humidity, high elevation, position above most of the water vapor in the atmosphere, clean air, good weather, and low altitude location. Next best site is to locate the telescope is the Observatories del Roque de los Muchos (ORM) on La Palma in Canary Islands, Spain, Northern Hemisphere. Hanalei in Ladakh was also in the running to host the TMT but lost out to Mauna Kea, which is considered a superior site due to the imaging possibilities it offers, its stable weather, and also because it has the necessary infrastructure to manage telescopes, already being host to several telescopes.